Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by powering down and removing power. This prevents shorts and lets you work safely. Once unplugged, detach the keyboard or flip the laptop to access keys. Next, identify the repeating key by typing in a plain editor so you focus effort. Make sure to have compressed air and 70% plus isopropyl ready. These remove debris without damaging circuits. Now, pop a single offending keycap carefully with a flat pry tool and lay the mechanism open for cleaning. Once the cap is off, blow short bursts of compressed air from multiple angles to dislodge dust and crumbs. After that, moisten a cotton swab with isopropyl and clean the switch surface and contact pads. You want oils and grime gone because they cause chatter. Make sure to inspect the rubber dome and scissor stabilizers for tears and check the PCB for corrosion. If a spring or clip is broken, you'll need a replacement part before reassembly. You reseat the cleaned keycap and press a few times to confirm even travel and proper click, then power up and test in your editor. If it still repeats, make sure to update or reinstall keyboard drivers and adjust the OS repeat delay and rate. These settings sometimes mask hardware issues. Once done, if the problem persists, swap in a spare keyboard or replace the specific switch/module. That replacement often resolves intermittent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.